Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Renzi Style, the place where we explore ideas that inspire, motivate and empower us to live our best life. Today we are going to delve into a topic that is not much talked about, and it's the importance of closed doors in our lives. Have you ever felt discouraged when a door closed in your life? Whether it be a missed opportunity, a proposal, or just a relationship that didn't work out? Well, today we're going to shift our perspective. Why closed doors are just a setback but opportunities for personal growth and transformation. You might see me look down a few times on my screen here because I really don't want to miss some pointers that I wrote here. So, closed doors are not the end of the road. They are the beginning of a new project. Each closed door presents us with an opportunity to reevaluate our goals, reflect on our strengths and weaknesses, and discover new paths that we might have overlooked. It's a chance to redefine success on our terms. So basically, what this little segment here is saying is that closed doors sometimes are opportunities. So you remember when we talk about letting go of failure, sometimes we need door to close on us, and sometimes God will close door on us to open new doors. Sometimes we have to fail on one aspect of our life in order to open up new horizons. So basically, as I'm saying, closed doors are not the end. Sometimes we feel like closed doors are the end, they are not the end. What it does is build resilience and character. Think of a closed door as a gym for character. Every challenge, every closed door is an opportunity to build resilience. The most successful individuals often have a story filled with rejections and setbacks. Embracing closed doors with a positive mindset can shape you into a stronger, more resilient person. And the last topic I did was building a positive mindset. And before that, we had letting go. So we have to build positive mindset while these doors close on us. We can look back and say, okay, what could I have done better? What was the reason for this door to close? Sometimes we're going into a business deal and really and truly that deal should not go through. So God just closed a door there. Some doors need to be closed, just like some friendships, some relationship need to be closed for you to move on. Also, I have learning from closed doors. We need to learn from closed doors, just like how we need to learn from our mistake. We need to learn from these doors that have been closed. Closed door provide us with invaluable lessons, whether it's learning from a failed project or understanding the dynamics of a relationship that didn't work. Each closed door teaches us something about ourselves and the world around us. It's an education that no classroom can offer. And why I say this is really and truly, when you go through life experience, they said experience teaches wisdom. When a door closes on you, it's something that we can learn from, something we can build upon. Sometimes some door close for our betterment. So if you look back on your life with some doors that were closed on you, you look back on some relationship that ended, you look on some friendship that ended, really and truly they were to close, they were to end for us to move forward. And we're writing our book, and without these testimonies, without these doors that were closed on us, we would really have something to write about. Just imagine every door open upon us. What kind of life would we have? We have to have certain rejection, and that is where we had a topic where we talk about accepting rejection. So we need to accept those doors that were closed on us. Here again, I have closed doors pave the way for better opportunities. One closed door often leads to another opening. Think about it. Think about a door that was closed and then another one just open up. By accepting and learning from closed doors in our life, we create space for new opportunities to emerge. And it's about trusting the process, being patient, and believing that something better is on the horizon. So yeah, here we talk about trusting the process, focus on the process and not the result. We need to focus sometime on the doors that closed while they were closed, and write down what you did wrong, what you did right, and just learn from it and move on and just make it better. These stuff bring more doors to open. Don't complain about the closed door. Don't complain about the past. That's why we talk about do not dwell on the past. The past is the past. Those doors were closed for a reason. You can also share down in the comment section personal story, not too personal if you don't want to share, ways in which doors were closed that led to unexpected success. You can also share how it better you and what you learn from it. So in conclusion, closed doors are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on our journey for personal growth. They are the catalyst that propels us forward, forcing us to adapt, evolve, and ultimately become the best version of ourselves. So the next time a door closes in your life, remember that it might just be redirecting you towards something even more extraordinary. If you found today's video inspiring, don't forget to give it a like or a thumbs up or a share, and share it with your friends. Hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't seen my other videos that I started on this type of topic, we are building a positive mindset, and we have 24 things we need to let go for 2024. Remember, closed doors are not the end, they are the beginning of a new exciting chapter of your life. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and I'll see you on the next video.